People, back again with another cool topic. Yeah, in this video I'm gonna tell you what is Google Docs, what are the advantages of Google Docs, what are the commands present in Google Docs, and for the bonus side, what is the bad facts of Google Docs. Yeah, before I proceed to this video, make sure you subscribe my channel for more such content. So let's begin with the video. We all use Google maybe in sort of one or the other way, maybe starting from our video name to check our internet connection whether it's working fine or not. Now, what my point is, what if I tell you there is an advanced way of searching in Google, like you can filter your results and you can get whatever you want to. For example, you search for a particular content in the Google but you doesn't get it, unsatisfied. So using Google Docs or Google hacking, you can make sure your search content is successful and it's properly and it's fine. You get what you wanted to search for. Google Docking is one such method where you can search in, you can Google the stuff or you can find the security holes located in the system. Like you use a set of commands, like from a basic commands to advanced level, which I'll show you in the next part. You use the basic or the advanced command to filter your results and get what you search for. For example, you search the commands like in title and you give what you want the content in the title, or you give the command like in URL and you type in the command. So not actually the command, you will type whatever you want to in that title, or it may be present in the particular URL or the content what's present in that website. So this is how we can use Google Dorking or Google hacking to search or filter your results, your search results. Now, in the next part, I'm going to tell you how efficiently you can use Google Docs and what are the set of commands present in the Google Docs. It starts from the basic level to the advanced operators that are present in Google Docs. So, to the next part. Okay, right here you can see all the basics command for Google Dorking. Okay, this is a source from Wikipedia. Well, you can see in title and in URL. Yeah, that's the basic commands for Google Dorking. So in title you'll type in title colon and you'll type whatever the search index you need to search for. Now then in URL, same thing, you can type in URL, so it will search for whatever the contents that's present in the particular URL. So you type in URL quotation mark and you'll type whatever you need to search. So that's the basic commands for Google hacking. Now, what are the advanced commands, or what are the advanced operators for Google hacking? Again, in title or in title, in URL or in URL. So all these operators you can see right there is a big list of operators right here. You can choose the operator to make your search index or filter your search index perfectly. So Google Docs is a kind for advanced searching. So you can search a particular content right with your fingertips. There we saw that we can use Google Dorking. What are the commands in the Google Dorking? Now, what are the advantages of Google Dorking? Why should we use Google Dorking? The very first advantage, yeah, as I told you right now, you can use it to search a particular content in Google. Yes, that you can find the security holes in Google. What are the present? Maybe it's stored in any folder or in any server. Maybe it's uploaded in any kind of FTP. You can search it wherever it's present in Google. Now, another advantage, or if I mention it as a darker side, it can be used for hacking. Yes, as I said it can be used for hacking, but how? Well, imagine there is a website created with www.blah-blah-blah.com. In that website, if the website, and you sign up your credentials to the website, that is your username, your password, maybe your email ID, maybe your sensitive information like phone number. So if you store such a thing in that website and if that credentials are set to public, there are chances you can get hacked. Yeah, you can use Google Docs for the bad factor, that is if they just search for your WP, the password file, wherever it's stored, they may get and they may access your account, because there will be even your email ID registered over there and your password right there. It's just set up and it's just stored right there. Yes, even you can use this Google Dorking to hack. Yeah, this video is strictly not for, I'm not promoting you to hack, but wherever I'm telling you what are it's completely for educational purpose. What are the factors, what is this factor, you can get hacked. Yeah. Okay, now not only your password, even imagine there is a security camera. I hope you know it. So if a security camera is installed and you can watch into that security camera if you have the IP address of that camera. So I can show you in this video that too. So you can watch the places, or if something like that is stored over there, you can directly access. If there is some sensitive information, it's fatal. Nobody can help it. So imagine the guy gets your password from that server, and if that password is your master password for all of the social media, so whatever the accounts present on internet, so that's the sensitive thing there. So if he gets the password, and if that password is your master password for Instagram, Facebook, or Google, or wherever, Twitter, whichever field it can be, he can access into your account just with a blink of eye. If he gets that password and if he experiments over your accounts, fatal there. Nobody can help you. Imagine you use Google Dorks for tracing out someone's password or brute force someone's password. You won't stand as a liable criminal or a liable victim for this. Okay, let me tell you the reason. See, it's because of the website is set to public. You won't stand a liable person because of tracing out someone's password. It's the 100% the fault of the website provider or the hosting provider, if I can say. So that's what I'm saying, people. Just don't put yourself in trouble by signing yourself or registering yourself to some unauthorized website, which can cause a future trouble or a fatal any time. You just cannot say that, right? And also just don't use your passwords, your same password in multiple websites. So if you use the same password, imagine my password is something XYZ. So I use this password in all over my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Google, and my wherever, what are the social platforms are there. In all those platforms I use the same password. So just go and do that. Just try to set up a multiple passwords for your safety and for your security purpose. You make a safe surf in the internet. So if you find a protocol HTTPS, just get into that website. If you find an unauthorized website or a website that doesn't have an SSL certificate, just don't go to browse it. So even if you browse it, don't go to share your credentials. That's where the problem starts. You just cannot predict when that website can get hacked, or when that website can get phished by someone. So that's it for the video, and make a safe surf in all over the internet. Management can be my topic for another Code Bytes video. So until then, stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such content, and make sure you leave your comments down below. Hit that thumbs up button.